Hi there, as we move ahead to September 2025, the buzz around Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 lineup is getting more intense. Leaks and rumors have begun to paint a picture of what we might expect from these new devices. Let's dive into the top 10 confirmed features and changes. Reports suggest that Apple plans to enlarge the screen from the current 6.1-inch to 6.3-inch, aligning it with the iPhone 16 Pro's dimensions. This change could offer users a more immersive viewing experience. Additionally, there's talk that Apple will introduce ProMotion technology across the entire iPhone 17 lineup, bringing a 120Hz refresh rate to all models. This enhancement would make scrolling and video playback smoother and more responsive. For the Pro Max model, it's expected that Apple will maintain the 6.9-inch display, while the rumored iPhone 17 Air might replace the Plus series with a 6.6-inch screen. Design changes for iPhone 17 Pro models. While the standard iPhone 17 is anticipated to retain the iPhone 16's design, the Pro models might see some fresh changes. Leaked CAD renders suggest a new rectangular camera bar design for the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. This updated camera module, reportedly spanning the width of the phone, is expected to give the back a cleaner, more modern look with rounded corners. We might also see a small screen at the back of this bar. As iPhones are used a lot for content creation, this new back screen could act as a viewfinder for the rear cameras. However, this is not yet confirmed and remains speculative. New A19 chipset and better thermals. As with every iPhone launch, performance is set to receive a boost with the introduction of Apple's new A19 chipset. This new chip, along with 8GB of RAM, is expected to power the iPhone 17 series, bringing faster performance and better energy efficiency. While the standard iPhone 17 and the rumored Air model might get the A19 chip, the Pro models are likely to feature an A19 Pro chip for even higher performance. Additionally, Apple is said to be working on improved thermal management for the iPhone 17 series, incorporating internal design changes for better heat dissipation to prevent overheating during intensive tasks. Major camera upgrades leaks suggest that Apple will equip the iPhone 17 with a 24-megapixel front camera, a significant jump from the 12-megapixel lens on current models. This upgrade should lead to sharper, more detailed selfies. On the rear, the iPhone 17 will likely stick with a 48-megapixel main camera but won't include the 5x telephoto zoom, which is expected to remain exclusive to the Pro models. Battery and charging. Due to larger display sizes, the new iPhones are expected to feature larger batteries. All four iPhone 17 models are rumored to support 35-watt charging speeds, allowing for faster recharging times. Ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. Apple is reportedly working on an all-new version of the iPhone for 2025, tentatively called the iPhone 17 Air. This model is expected to have a significantly thinner design than current iPhone models, measuring just 5.5mm in thickness. The iPhone 17 Air is also rumored to feature a single-lens 48-megapixel rear camera and a 6.6-inch display. Material changes. Rumors indicate that Apple might replace titanium with aluminum in the Pro models, and part of the glass frame could transition to aluminum for better durability. This update could come alongside a camera design change, with Apple perhaps opting for a horizontal pill-shaped camera bump rather than the traditional square design. Wi-Fi 7 and Apple's own modem. At least one iPhone 17 model next year will get an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip greater than chip manufactured by Broadcom, and it's likely the iPhone 17 Air. Apple is also expected to debut its own modem chip in the device, testing it instead of a Qualcomm chip. The standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro models are likely to continue using Qualcomm chips, but this might change as Apple recently introduced its first C1 modem chip with the iPhone 16e. This new modem is more power efficient and performs better than Qualcomm chips. Let's see how this modem performs on the Pro models. Pricing. According to reports, the iPhone 17 Air will be priced more affordably than the iPhone 17 Pro models. Pricing for the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at $999. Launch date. The iPhone 17 models are expected to be unveiled in September 2025, following Apple's traditional fall release schedule.
So that's all about the upcoming iPhone 17 features and changes confirmed so far.
Drop a comment below, will you upgrade, and hit subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.